Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl I to the V to the Y Ivy. And if you're stopping by for the very first time, welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. This channel is basically about positive vibes and tips on how to grow your natural hair as a natural hair girly. So my hair is a lot of mess right now, like a lot of mess. It's looking so cute, but deep down, it's a lot of mess. So I'm just going to go ahead to do pre-pooing on my hair because I'm going to be using the hot oil method to pre-poo my hair, to prepare my hair for wash day. And I've been procrastinating my wash day for like forever. Like I said earlier on, like I said in my previous video, I'm a lazy natural hair girly. But you know what? We're gonna grow. We are gonna grow. So this, I think this intro is getting too long. Let's just get right into business. This is a mixture of different auyverdic herbs. So I use coconut oil here as the base oil, and for some others I made use of olive oil as the base. So probably maybe I'll do a video on how to create this particular oil. So what I'm going to do now is to get, this is an applicator bottle for oil mixture. I'm just going to add the oil into this bottle. I don't really have a measurement for it because sometimes I use all of it because it's a very small bottle, but let's just try to minimize. Then I'm going to be adding little of Jamaica black castor oil to the mixture. So whenever you're doing something like this, if you want to try this method, I'm just going to use, don't mind me, I'm using the cover to just add little to it. So I'm going to be adding like probably few of this to the mixture. Using only black castor oil is too thick and is too like heavy for the hair. There are some persons here that actually do not mind using a heavy oil on their hair, but mine does. So I like using light oils, but I love black castor oil, Jamaica black castor oil a lot. So I'm just going to be adding this to it. I think I'm okay with this for now. Then I'm going to be adding little, I want to add little of this again. I just want everything to be enough for me to do the hot oil treatment. If it's not enough, I can go ahead to do the mixture again we did earlier on. So I'm just going to be using it on my hair. And next thing I have to do is to section my hair into different sections so that it will make the process very, very easy. And I really do not like using comb on my hair. I don't really like comb at all. So I'm just going to spray a little bit of water on my hair so that I can section it. Because I don't like using combs at all. I do once in a while. Maybe I detangle with comb once in a month, maybe. God, my hair is a lot. I'm looking at myself in the mirror and my hair is a lot. Like a lot, guys. Oops. To section it now with my hand. And let me see if my mic is still on. I'm going to section this part again. My hair, I think my hair is getting too full. It's not a bad thing. It's a good thing, but so I'm just going to take it in different sections. So I did this part into 3. I'm going to show you guys when I'm done doing this section. It's not going to be straight because there's no need using a comb to section it. I'm not trying to style my hair. So let's start with this section. So like you see, I had to section my hair into 3 this part. Then after that, I'm going to do this one. But my hair is a lot now. Like it is really a lot, and a lot, and a lot. Anyways, there's that. So first thing I do is to try to finger detangle before I go in with the oil. I like to do this. Yeah. So the reason I like this applicator is that it actually makes the application method so easy. Like it adds it to your scalp and then bring it down to your hair, so without creating any mess. had to retwist some of them into smaller sections, but I'm done. I'm just going to still get the oil and just add to my scalp, preparing your hair. So before I go to use heat, I just want to give myself my hair a nice massage. This always feels good. Always feels so good. Okay guys, so I am done with massaging my scalp. So I'm just going to be using this sling. I don't know what they call this sling film. I used to call it nylon, please. But I just know that I'll use it to cover my hair, and then I'll use heat on my hair. I don't need to talk here. Plug this. I'm just going to let you know the importance of hot oil treatment. Why hot oil treatment is actually very, very important, or why it is mandatory. Let me put it that way, because most people will feel it's not important for them, but it's actually a very good method that helps to absorb moisture on your hair. So what it does is that it gives your hair balance and also combats against fungus from spreading in your hair. It also gives your hair shine, and it also leaves the cuticles, like it lifts the cuticles for most especially low porosity or in normal porosity hair. It lifts cuticles so that it can help absorb moisture and let it absorb into the hair shaft. You understand? And it also gives this sleek and shine finish look. You know, it gives that shine finish look. So and also there are some shampoo that have like some clarifying shampoo. Maybe if you are doing a wash day and you're making use of a clarifying shampoo where it helps to strip all products off your hair, a hot oil treatment is actually good for that particular wash day. But anyways, this will be the end of this particular video. I'm going to do it like a series, and this will be the end. My next video is going to be about the wash day, and you see the finished look of when I've rinsed out the oil from my hair and then hop on into the shower to do my wash day routine. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And also leave a comment on what you would like to see on my video and what you think about this, if I should drop the full wash day routine video. Thank you so much guys for watching, and bye. See you all in my next video.